Good evening, guys. JR with Secure Metals Exchange bringing you your technical analysis for today, October the 2nd, 2012. It's approximately 9:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, very short video here. This is your daily time frame. A lot of boring trading here. Nothing really going on. We've been trading sideways here since the middle of September, roughly September 14th. We've been trading just within this 1778 zone down here to the 1755 zone. We've made two attempts to go above it and one attempt to go below it. And as of right now, we're going to find support at the 20-day moving average. And again, if we're looking at the chart from the all-time high down to the December low of last year, again, still hovering around this 61% Fibonacci. I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback down here to 1721, gather a little momentum and continue to go higher. Your stochastics indecisive. As a matter of fact, if I pull up the weekly chart, these two, let me see here. These wicks here that you see, these long wicks, that suggest a lot of indecision in the market. And again, just really nothing to get excited about. As a matter of fact, we are still trading within this bearish divergence, and I'd like to see if this is going to stick. If that's the case, then we'll see a move back down here to at least the low 1700s. But again, I expect all dips to be very well supported. So until we can get above this or fall below that, nothing going on here. As far as silver goes, silver's the same thing. I mean, there's just really absolutely nothing going on here with silver. Once this thing breaks out, I think it'll get a bit more exciting. But in the same respects, remember what I've said here on these videos. Usually when these Bollinger Bands start to come together, that usually signals a breakout of either one way or the other. And that's what we're seeing here. We're seeing the Bollinger Bands get closer and closer together. So it could be the case where it'll range trade for maybe a couple more days until it just breaks out of the range. And whichever range it is, I would assume if it goes up, then we'll probably test this 50% Fibonacci retracement around a little bit under $38, $37.80. And I'd really like to see this high I'd really like to see us take out this high of 37.50. So again, stochastics are a little bit no direction whatsoever on the stochastics. 20-day moving average at around 34.15. If I look at the weekly chart has a little bit more of a divergence to the downside. So again, silver is a little bit more volatile. So I would expect silver to move a little bit more than gold, probably maybe down here to the 31.71 zone. Who knows, maybe even the 30 zone. But again, I do expect those dips to continue to stay very well supported. All right, guys. Again, nothing much to report. Have a great rest of the night. Bye-bye.